Good morning, Bizarre Medical fans. In the past, we've showcased some of the world's largest wrestlers, and today we're going to continue the series on world's largest athletes with 5 more giants of professional sports. Number 5 is the enormous Troy Escalade Jackson, a 6'10" baller reportedly weighed in at roughly 500 pounds in high school and Wallace Community College in Selma, Alabama, before dropping $1.25 to make the roster at the University of Louisville. Don't mistake Escalade as a Cadillac-sized gimmick. This dude could ball with the best of them, but tragically, he passed away from heart disease at age 38 in 2011. Number 4, Bob Sapp. At 6'5" and 350 pounds, this football player turned mixed martial artist is one seriously intimidating dude. You may know him from Adam Sandler's The Longest Yard, but he's also one of Japan's most popular American athletes. Number 3, Margot Dominik. WNBA star Margot Dominik is huge in every sense of the word. The Polish native was notably the tallest professional female basketball player in the world at 7'2". But she was so much more than simply tall. She was a force of nature. Number 2, Dalip the Great Khali Singh Rana. Wrestling fans know Dalip Singh Rana as the Great Khali, and he is a marvel indeed. With his head in the clouds at 7'1" and a built frame, this titan was far more than a man on stilts. He was named WWE World Heavyweight Champion in 2007. Number 1, Aaron Reed, a professional bodybuilder and an ex-WWE wrestler from Tampa, Florida. At 6'7", he's one of the tallest bodybuilders in the world, and officially the tallest bodybuilder to win a men's physique competition. Excellent. Speaking of fitness, let's take a look at Thinnergy. It's a product I use to train for marathons. It'll help you shred unwanted body fat and boost your energy.
Hey you guys, it's your girl Nilsa from MTV Floribama Shore, and excuse my morning madness, but I just wanted to be really raw and authentic with you guys. I want to wish everyone at Thinnergy a happy goals day. Let's make today all about reaching your goals. So this is what I do every morning. I get up, I check my emails, I do a little social media, and then I go to the gym and I set out a plan every single day of what goals I want to reach that day. So let's make today all about reaching your goals. And the way I stay fit is just because I have so much motivation. I have a long way to go, but looking back to how far I've came, that's really important to me. So I hope you guys can do the same and reach your goals. Good luck, you guys.
Energy is America's top weight loss supplement. This elite fat-burning formula turns your body into a calorie-burning furnace, helping you target unwanted belly fat, love handles, and cellulite. Act now and start burning fat immediately. Coupled with diet and exercise, Thinnergy is the fastest, best way to meet your weight loss goals.